Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Talk Mama channel. In this video, I am going to talk about channel name. Lots of people ask me the same question again and again. Which podcaster you follow, or what are the technique you follow in order to improve your English? I felt just make a video for them also, and now it will help you too. So I follow the first channel name is Speaking Confidence English by Andy Murray. He's the best shadowing speaker, and I used to listen it just only 1 week, but she was an amazing speaker. Speak spontaneously, you will understand what he convey to message in audience, so you will easily get to know how she speaks and what he speaks. So you can follow Speak Confident English by Andy Murray. Second best shadowing channel is English Speaking Success. You can go with that. I watched 1 to 2, 3 videos of her, and amazing speaker, I would say. If you do the shadowing practice for long time or listening attentively, your voice modules are same in that speaker, and you might be fluent or sounds more native speaker. I am following just to them for improve my English or my shadowing practice. Shadowing help us to improve your intonation, pronunciation, lot of things, and you might sound like native speakers. So follow to best channel for shadowing practice. Okay. So move to the next channel which I want to follow in order to listen podcast. The 3-4 podcaster which I love to listen anytime, and nowadays I found some other podcaster also to make my progress impressive and to enhance my communication skills or listening skills perfectly. So I want to share with you 2 to 3 skills which I written in my diary. Think by Grow. Think by Grow, you will find lots of information. In today morning, I listened to one podcast from ex-governor of India. He mentioned a lot of things about rupees, why 2000 rupees is banned, how to maintain this thing, and how to economically RBI works in India. So a lot of things, and you got to know lots of ideas from there. And in this way, you might improve your English, and you might have a lot of things or knowledge to have a conversation with another topic. And the next one is Understand Bharat. If you are curious to know about social things or about lots of information about Indians or what are the things going on right now, so you should just go with Understand Bharat by Adarsh Gupta. He's the admin or in this particular channel, Adarsh Gupta. The next is Raj Samani, Asia's largest podcaster. Raj Samani, I used to listen him a lot. When it comes to a podcaster, the first name is Raj Shamani, and he's one of my favorite podcaster. So you can go with that, because sometimes it use Hindi also, but her content should be very catchy or powerful, and you got to know a lot of things from her. How his how they ask the questions from audience, and what are the things you have to keep in your mind while talking with people. A lot of things you learn from this, and I love doing the way he speak out and the way he asks the question, and they invite the amazing guest over there. So you can definitely enjoy the podcast over there. And the next is Ranbir Alabadia podcast. If you are a spiritual person, you have to be connect universe and laws, and your mysterious things about. So you can go with Ranbir Alabadia podcast. I'm very passionate about. Nowadays I'm not listening Ranbir Alabadia podcast, but I try to listen this podcast. If you are a very concept visual person or spiritual, you can go with that person. Easily you can understand what he speaks. The amazing podcaster. So these 3 to 4, 5 podcaster I used to listen not every day. I just pick one and one podcast every day. I used to listen every day at least one podcast. So bye bye. Thank you so much. Hope this video will help you to find the channel on shadowing practice or listening podcast. So bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.